Hi, in this video we are going to unbox Oppo A54. Before that we will sanitize the box. It is always good to sanitize to prevent corona spread. Oppo A54 smartphone was launched on the 26th of March 2021. The phone comes with a 6.51-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The Oppo A54 runs Android 10 and is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. The Oppo A54 supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Oppo A54 on the rear packs a 13-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It sports a 16-megapixel camera on the front for selfies. It was launched in crystal black and starry blue colors. Connectivity options on the Oppo A54 include Wi-Fi and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, and proximity sensor. Oppo A54 is a balanced combination to settle for. The device gets excellent camera configuration on both sides backed by a robust battery setup and massive storage space. However, the self-weight of the device is quite on the bulky side. Oppo A54 comes with a 6.51-inch bezel-less display having a punch hole on it. The IPS LCD of the smartphone features a 20:9 aspect ratio besides 270 pixels per inch pixel density. Moreover, Oppo is offering an impressive visual experience with its 720 by 1600 pixels resolution and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The smartphone appears with a triple camera setup on its rear side, consisting of a 13MP f2.2 wide-angle main camera, a 2MP f2.4 macro camera and a 2MP f2.4 depth camera. Features flaunted by the entire camera setup includes LED flash, autofocus, ISO control, exposure compensation, HDR mode, continuous shooting, auto flash, phase detection, digital zoom, etc. Besides, a 16MP f2.0 wide-angle primary camera is placed on the front. Oppo A54 comes with a cover which is very sturdy. It comes with a 18-watt fast charger with Type-C connector. The smartphone is equipped with a powerful, non-replaceable lithium polymer type battery, equipped with a charging capacity of 5000 mAh. The cell is 18-watt fast charging compatible as well. Oppo A54 lets you get the most from ultra-large 5000 mAh battery, constantly giving you up to 19.9 hours of online video streaming and 41 hours of continuous musical entertainment. It has got a fingerprint sensor on the power button. It also comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Volume rockers are seen on the left side. Now let us switch on the mobile. Select the language. This mobile is made in India, so Indian languages are also seen. Now we are in the home screen. Now we will switch it off and insert the SIM cards and memory cards. It supports dual SIM and memory card. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.